So hey guys, what's up? This is me, Ethan, and I'm back with another Amazon unboxing. Let's see what we got from Amazon today. I hope everyone has had a good week so far and a great weekend. I sure did. And I hope everyone's having a great Monday. We got glass coffee mugs from Vivimee. Interesting. Let's see what they look like. Wow. Oh, we got a card from them. And that's what the other side says. But, oh wow. These are packaged very well. Very nice. So this is, they're 15 ounces. Very, very nice. Yeah. I'm just going to hand wash one and use it for some coffee. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that Amazon unboxing. Bye.